Hey, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, making a quick video. This 2019. This is not the finished product. We just got this van in off the truck, so it's still a little bit dirty. But this thing is fully loaded. It's the Touring L Plus, I believe. It's got the power doors, power trunk. Leather interior. Very clean, so I'm just making the video. I've got customer looking at it, so we'll probably have it detailed either Friday or Monday. We've got a couple vehicles in front of it. The power seat, I believe it's got the navigation, touchscreen dash, dual climate control, and of course it's got the mobility conversion in it. So it's not as pretty as it's going to be, but it's darn near brand new condition. It's got the push button start inside. Of course the manual ramp and door, like all of our Dodge manual ramp, I'm sorry, like all of our Caravans. And current miles 26,570 miles. We've driven this thing. It drives like a new van, but we will further inspect it. We will get it all detailed up. It's got the 2 key fobs. It's got the remote start, which I just did with the key fob here as well. So fully loaded, very nice leather, beautiful van. Runs and drives like new. We'll get it all detailed and get a final video up, but I just wanted to make this. I got a gentleman looking at it. Tires are real good condition as well.